Hello and welcome to my channel, Cooking with Kenneth. I created this channel in January of 2019 and this is my very first upload, January 2020. I was waiting for to move and get a bigger kitchen and this and that, but you know how us potential YouTube stars are. We want everything right. I said this year, forget it. I'm getting ready to do what I love to do, and that's cook. So my goal for this channel is to create some great, fresh, clean recipes, all from scratch. No processed foods, no salts, no extra sugars, because when you're getting up there in age, you got to watch all of that. Also, I'm going to be doing some restaurant reviews in and around Atlanta and some of my travel picks. So I'm going to start off with my favorite recipe, which is a Fettuccine Alfredo, fresh Alfredo sauce from scratch with chicken, and I hope you enjoy. For my first dish, we're going to do chicken Fettuccine Alfredo. This is one of my favorite go-tos, just when I want to treat myself to a big, nice, rich Italian meal. Quick and easy to do, not a lot of ingredients, but the ingredients are fresh. I do believe in cooking from scratch, cooking fresh ingredients, no processed foods. You have to watch that, no extra sugars and salts. So we're going to get started with the ingredients. You're going to need 2 whole chicken breasts. I sliced each breast in half to make them thin so that they can cook fast. I pre-marinated these breasts so that you don't have to do that, is probably what I'm saying. You don't have to pre-marinate. You can just use salt, pepper, and a little Italian seasoning. It's up to you. One minced onion. Just a small one, about that size. 3 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of nutmeg. Main ingredient here, your heavy whipping cream. You need 2 cups of that. You're going to need some Parmesan cheese. Get the fresh Parmesan cheese, grate it yourself. We're going to need some basil, some Roma tomatoes for the bruschetta, some fresh Italian parsley, curly leaf. The difference, there's 2 types of parsley. One is flat leaf, one is curly leaf. You're going to need a pound of fettuccine noodles, that's 1 box, and some extra virgin olive oil. And that's all you'll need for this, and I'll see you at the stove. Alright guys, welcome back. We got our fettuccine noodles on in salted water, probably about a tablespoon of salt. We want to cook those al dente. Make sure you season your water. If you don't, your pasta will be tasteless. I got a little bit of olive oil here in a saute pan. We're going to get those chicken thighs started. Chicken breast. Sometimes I use chicken thighs, so. I'm going to put it on about a medium heat, medium high. Once we get those cooked up, we're going to move to our fettuccine or our Alfredo sauce. This should go very quickly. I got everything prepped. Got all of my ingredients for my Alfredo sauce over here on the side. We're going to knock out these boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Another secret, I bought a whole chicken and I carved it up myself. Much cheaper than getting the already cut up ones. You're paying for that. These are not going to take very long to cook at all. Going to leave these thick ones on a little bit. Longer. Actually, I'm going to start my sauce right now. Do this. This way. I'm going to put that on about medium. Alright, so let's get our Alfredo sauce started. You want to put about a third of a cup of butter. I use the butter and olive oil mix. Alright, so I'm going to put a third of a cup of butter in here. We want to saute our onions and our garlic. Our noodles about ready, or our pasta is about ready. I cooked some chicken noodle soup today, that's why I'm calling these noodles. Do know the difference. Made some fresh homemade chicken noodle soup. I'm going to take these off because we do want those al dente. That means just with a little snap to them. And I'm going to move this pot over here. Bring this over. Alright, once our butter is melted, you want to throw in your garlic and your onions. Again, I dice the onions real fine. This one back here. And then we want to cook those down to they're translucent. You don't want to burn your garlic. It makes it bitter. Make sure I like to keep my area clean here. And throw in your salt and pepper and your nutmeg. Check on that. Put something over here. Once that's cooked down, heat a little bit. You want to throw in your cream. I use half and half, but you can use full heavy whipping cream. Turn those chicken breasts down. Give that a stir. You want to do a taste for salt. Perfect. I'm going to turn that up and let that go. And this meal is almost ready. Our pasta is ready. Put that on there. Chicken is done. All we need to do is put our cheese in, and I'll be back. Alright guys, our chicken is ready. You see, we got 2 beautiful pieces of chicken breast and our whipping cream. Alfredo sauce has come up to a boil. Now we're going to add in a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Just gonna let that melt in. Oh yeah, one more ingredient, secret ingredient of mine. I use a 1/3 cup of white wine. Today I use Chardonnay, but whatever white wine you have on hand. Some white wine, and I'm gonna throw a little parsley in here. Fresh grated parsley, give it some color. And we are all set. I will be back when I plate this up. Alright guys, I'm back. I transferred my Alfredo sauce into the saucepan. We're getting ready to put those noodles in there, the pasta in there, and then plate up. I also chopped my chicken. Now I used a whole pound of pasta. This is enough for a lot of people. Alrighty, and here's the finished product. I decided to make some bruschetta. I just toasted me a small piece of Italian bread and mixed up some tomatoes, basil, and garlic, a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to do another video on that. Also, I'm going to be doing chicken bruschetta in another video. But, as you can see, nice, quick, easy meal made from scratch. I'm pairing it with a nice glass of Chardonnay. And I am getting ready to enjoy. And I have a whole pan full I can eat on for the next couple of days. I'll be right back. Alright guys, see how easy that was? About 35 minutes from start to finish. You have a complete home-cooked meal from scratch. If you want your sauce a little thicker, use the heavy whipping cream instead of the half and half. I like mine a little thinner. If you want it cheesier, use another cup of Parmesan cheese or more. However if you want it thicker, just go ahead and adapt it to your taste. Also, you can do this dish with shrimp instead of chicken. You can also add broccoli. You can do chicken and broccoli. It's unlimited, the things that you can do with it. Alright, so that's it for my first video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification button. I'll be uploading new videos every week, weekly. If you hit that button, you'll get a notification when I post those videos. And I want to leave you guys with a book I read about 23 years ago. It's called The 4 Agreements. There are 4 principles that I like to live my life by. Maybe if it sounds good to you, you can look that book up. Number 1 is be impeccable with your word and thoughts. Your word and thoughts are very powerful, guys. Number 2, do not judge anyone, not even yourself. Number 3, never assume anything. Always seek for a clear understanding. And number 4, just do the best that you can do in this life. Alright guys, peace and blessings. I'll see you on the next one.